What's up, LT? How are you? Alright, so what are we doing today? Slime. Alright, what kind of slime is that?
Galaxy.
Galaxy, awesome. Alright, show us what you got. Whoa. So where'd you get this slime from?
I made it.
Oh my goodness, look at that. So Leah, how long have you been doing slime for?
2 years.
2 years. So did you make this by yourself or you bought this one?
Made it by myself.
Oh wow. Whoa. Oh my goodness. How do you do this? This is so sticky. Wow. Can everybody see this? Wow, this is pretty amazing stuff. So what's in here, Leah? Glitter?
Yeah, lots of glitter.
I don't know how to get this off my hands, but this is really, really sticky. So what's next, Leah? What do we got?
Wazowski slime.
Oh my gosh. Say that again. Mike what?
Wazowski slime.
Mike was what? I don't know what she said.
Monster eating slime.
We'll put that on the link, whatever she just said right now. Okay, I think I'm getting the hang of this. How to... Is that right, like that?
Yep. This
is awesome. I love the way the texture feels. You got these little balls that you put in here. What are these little balls, Leah?
Styrofoam beads.
All right, styrofoam beads. So my name is G. This is LT or Leah. Nickname Tortilla. Ain't that right?
Yep.
All right. So she plays softball, right? And this helps her get a good grip on the ball when she's pitching. Ain't that right?
Yep.
Awesome. So what's next?
Another space slime.
Space slime. Whoa. Isn't that cool the way it just forms like that? Wow. So one of these days when you go to space, you will see this in space. So 2 years of being a slime master and you can make this cool stuff. You just become a slime master, right, LT?
Yep.
I like this one the best. I think the space slime is the best out of the last two that we did. I can get used to playing with this one. I wonder if I take this to work, I wonder if they would make fun of me. What do you guys think? Which slime is your guys' favorite? Do you guys like the space slime, like this one? Or
Galaxy and Monster E slime.
Galaxy or Monster E slime? Did I say that right? I'm going to put that in the description for you guys on the bottom. So you'll probably see it right here somewhere. And let me know what you guys think. What's your favorite? What kind of slime do you make? let us know. This is a new channel, and we're gonna be making more content for you, right?
Mm-hmm.
What else are we gonna do for everybody once they subscribe?
We are going to teach you how to make fluffy slime, butter slime.
Ooh, fluffy slime.
Yeah.
What is fluffy slime?
It's just this really soft, airy slime.
Soft, airy slime.
And we're going to be teaching you how to make cloud slime.
Cloud slime. Yes, I like that. That sounds like a whole lot of fun. I'm telling you, this one is my favorite. It's just so fun to play with. Look at that. Awesome. Whoa! How did you do that?
This.
Alright. If you guys want to know how to do that, watch this. So, oh my gosh, isn't that so awesome? I'm going to see if I can try to do that. Okay. Ready? Let me know what you guys think. Let us know what you think. Do you like this slime? Or what's your favorite slime? And if you guys make slime, let us know what kind of slime you guys make. Alright? Talk to you later.